this video, I will demonstrate how to use Aurasma Studio to publish augmented reality content, also called auras. The Aurasma Studio is Aurasma's online cloud-based platform for creating augmented reality content. To create an aura is actually an augmented reality actions, images, videos, or even 3D animations that would appear when you point your mobile device at an image or an object or even a place. There are basically 4 steps that will lead you to create your own aura. The first one is to upload a trigger image. A trigger image is an image that will be detected when a user views it through the camera. When it is detected, an overlay will appear. Let's look at how to create a trigger image and how to upload it onto Aurasma. To upload a trigger image, click on the trigger images on the right hand side of the screen. Now click on Add a trigger image here. Write down the name of the trigger image. Now I'm creating an aura about enzymes, particularly at low temperature, so I've written a name. I can indicate coordinates if I need it to be geographically located. That means you want your trigger image to be to play the video at a particular location, but because it's going to be, this particular aura is going to be used anywhere, so I'm going to leave that blank. I can upload so now I'm going to browse for the image. That's the image that I want to trigger the video, so I'll open it here. I can describe the image, and that's for your own reference. And then you click Save, Close. You will notice that it says Training Pending. Once the training is complete, it indicates that your trigger image is now ready for use. As you can see, it's complete. So now we have uploaded a trigger image in our Aurasma. The next step is to upload the overlay image or the video which will be triggered off when you view the image through the Aurasma screen. An overlay is actually an image or a video or animation or even 3D models that will appear whenever you look through the Aurasma screen, and the screen will identify or recognize that particular trigger image that you've just now uploaded. Now, how to upload an overlay? So let's take a look at this particular aspect. To upload an overlay, simply select the overlays icon on the main screen that you can see here. Now click on the Add icon to add an overlay. You would need to name your overlay. So I'm going to name the video that I need to upload, enzymes at low temperature. Select the type of overlay that you want. Do you want a video, image, or a 3D model? I'm uploading a video. You can also organize your overlays into folders. I'm going to select the video that I would like to upload by clicking on Browse. So I'm going to select the video. So that's the enzyme low temperature video that I wanted to upload. I can describe the video here. That's mainly for my own use. You can click on Loop Overlay if you want your video to carry on running once it's finished, or if you don't want it to be in a loop, then you can untick it. Save your video. That's the preview, and now you can close it. So out of the 4 steps, we have looked into the first 2. So we've uploaded our trigger image and we have uploaded a video that goes with the trigger image. The next step is to create a channel for your auras. So what do we mean by a channel? Channel is a place where you would upload all your auras, and this is a place where your users will search to find things of their interest, so they would be subscribing to your channel. The question is how to now create a channel. So now let's take a look how to create your own channel using aurasma Studio. Select the channel icon on the main screen to create your first channel. Click on Add. To create a channel, you would need to give the following properties to your channel. So you would need to identify it by name. Now I'm just going to write enzymes. My content is about enzymes. You can write description, and that's optional. Do you want your videos to be, or your auras to be private, or do you want it to be public? Set this to private if you do not want your channel returned from a channel search in aurasma and you want to prevent people from subscribing to it. You can also upload an image that will represent your channel in the app. To upload the image for your new channel, you would just click on the browse button and you will select a particular image that would go with your channel. So now select the channel image that you want to be associated with your channel. Save. Close. So now your channel is created. So now we've also looked at how to create a channel for your auras. We've looked into trigger images, we've uploaded a video, we've created a channel. So now it's the last task where you link your trigger image to the overlay image, and this is uploaded onto your channel. So the question is how to create the aura. So let's take a look. To create an aura, you need to click on the auras channel on the right hand side of the main screen. Click on Add. Give your aura a name. Link it to the trigger image. So click on the drop down menu button here. So I've got enzymes at low temperature. The channel that I want it to link to. So I've got two channels here. I've created enzymes particularly for this particular trigger image. So that's the image that I want to be there for this particular video. Now the video is my overlay. I'll select it by clicking on that button. So it will link it to the video that I want to be connected to this trigger image. That's the lock and key low temperature. Now you can connect it to different things. There are different actions that you can do. So I'm just doing, when overlay is double tapped, make it full screens. So that means whenever you click it, or when you're watching it through the mobile phone app, if you double click on the image or the video, it will become double screen. Now the aspect of this, if you right click it, if you want to change the aspect, you can restore aspect ratio. You can right click and you can increase or decrease the size. You can select where you want the video to show on that trigger image when it is triggered on. You can also have a 3D view. You can resize, you can move, you can increase the size as well, and then you can click save. Your aura, click on this icon on your aurasma screen, and you need to find the channel that was enzymes, the channel that we created. That's the channel we created. Find the channel and click on the follow button. Then go back to the view screen of your aurasma. Now look at the trigger image through that screen, and because you're following the channel, the video will be played because the aurasma screen will identify the trigger image and it will link it to the video. So this is how in 4 easy steps you can create your own aura.